I'm Maxwell Mensah Opoku. I teach AP Physics and Astronomy and Oceanography. He is focused, he is time bound, he is disciplined. Whatever work you assign to him, he is able to work within the stipulated time, and any extra work you give to him, he doesn't complain much. He will ensure that it is done, and he does it well.
My name is Augustina Bafo, and then I take AP Literature and AP Composition. I feel very proud and very happy at least. Due to the challenges I went through getting to the final exams, it makes me feel very happy and very proud that the efforts we put in gave a good result. Before we began, I think we had a shorter period to be able to accomplish what we had to do. It was challenging for the class, and we had to put a lot of pressure and a lot of work to be able to get to the final thing we have to do to be able to write exams. He took it very quite on the low. I thought it was challenging, but he was able to make it. And it wasn't quite tough for Jedi as compared to the other student that I came across, because within class you find him quite relaxed and quite cool with everything, but at the end he gives you a good result. So it was quite a progress, but he was able to sail through to the end. Yeah. He's one student who's very focused and then very disciplined. When it comes to doing work, he does it on time and very perfectly. He doesn't want to go and then come back to do another work. So anytime you give it to him, he's actually quick to do it. And when he presents his work to you too, it's very okay. If he has a bit of challenge with what he does, and he comes back to you for constructive feedback and wants to do it immediately as you have presented to him. And that's one thing I love about him. Doing it and doing it well at the time you've given to him.